Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will talk about the different variants of Templates Manager. This solution is packaged in two different ways. First, the old school version, which is a WSP file, and then the modern one, which is an SPFX extension version packaged as an SPPKG file. So when you decide and try to understand which one should you use, there are a lot of things to consider. First of all, if you're on SharePoint Online, then you can use both versions. Yes, you do need to enable scripting, which I'm going to show you how to do in another video, and you can use the extension version. If you're on SharePoint 2013 to SharePoint subscription edition, then the extension version is not supported by neither me nor Microsoft. So you need to go with the sandbox. That's the only solution there. If you want to use it in Teams, then you do need to go with the SPFX version. When you select your template in the application, it shows up slightly different in a classic page. So you get from the sandbox solution, you get a redirect to another page. In the extension version, you get it inside a page dialog. So you have a less redirect experience there. After you've selected your templates, given it a file name, and the file has been created, it redirects to edit mode, but only in SharePoint Online. In 2013 to the SharePoint subscription edition, it redirects to the document library, and of course the SPFX is not available in those. In classic mode libraries, the sandbox solution is supported. The extension does not show up any buttons there. It doesn't add any buttons to classic mode libraries. To modern libraries, then you can use both the sandbox or the SPFX version to make it show up there. The techniques used for these differences is old school. This is actually a technique that was deployed by Microsoft in 2010. The modern is more modern, of course. Another way of viewing which one you should do is this flowchart here. Are you on SharePoint Online? If you're not, then you should go with the sandbox version and you're done. If you're on SharePoint Online, are you using modern libraries or Teams? Then you should use the SPFX extension version. Are you on Classic 2? Then you want to install both of them. So that's a bit more work, but of course more functionality also for you. So that concludes my overview of the different variants of Templates Manager. Thank you for watching.